I got this battery tender on eBay for $70. Looks like it's on Amazon for I think 79, and BMW sells it for 90. So if you get it on eBay or Amazon, you'll get it a little cheaper. So just showing you how I hooked it up here. I hooked it up to the positive lead under the battery. And by the way, it comes with either the alligator clips or these are ring terminal adapters. So use a T50 Torx bit, unscrew this, put the positive end on there, and then I routed the negative end to this. This is also a T50 Torx bit, and since it has the fuse on it, I wasn't able to just route the positive up to here because the fuse wouldn't fit under here. And while you could take it off right here, the windshield wiper fluid reservoir, I just decided to take all the wires from up here and route them down through this way. So I took the negative and the quick disconnect and just routed them through this side, reverse, through here, and then I hooked up my negative side. Also a T50 Torx bit. And then when you connect the battery tender itself, I was having issues trying to select between the modes, because you can use it on a regular BMW, or if you have an F80 M3 or F82 M4 and you have a lithium ion battery, you will want to use a battery tender that works with lithium ion batteries. So as you can see, it's plugged in and connected to the battery right there. You can't select through modes. So, you know, the first one is the default one. So I had everything all hooked up and I couldn't select the mode. And then I quickly read the directions or instructions, and I figured out that you're supposed to have the power plugged in, which is right there, but you're not supposed to have it connected to your battery yet, if you need to toggle modes. So I have an M4, so I need to use the lithium ion mode. So all you gotta do is plug this in, and then you'll be able to select what mode you want. You can toggle through the modes with the select button, and then you connect it to your battery. If it's connected to the battery first, like it is right now, you won't be able to toggle through the modes, and it'll be on the top one, not the bottom one. So I had that issue, so just a little heads up. But yeah, and then, you know, this is easy, nice permanent solution. You can put the wire right there, close the hood, and you're all set.